Hello and welcome to another update on Solana. So, just a quick update. Solana is still on its way to that $250 level. We might get there on the weekend, but obviously Saturday is nearly there, depending on your time zone. It might already be there. And so Saturdays are typically characterized by some weakness, consolidation. So, a small pullback could start at any time. For now, the pressure is still up, and what I want to do in this video is share with you the smaller time frame support and resistance levels. Before we do that, make sure you subscribe and also leave a like, a thumbs up if you appreciate the content and the analysis. Would be highly appreciated. Also, just to highlight here, this structure that we've been tracking hasn't changed in weeks, months even. So the idea that this here could be an ABC structure to the upside, still valid, hasn't changed. The idea that we could go to 360 to 380 hasn't changed. A lot of the targets here, intermediary targets, have already been reached. 230, 250 is next, as next key level here, yeah. And then above that, I've got $305, which is a first ideal target for this third wave. So now let's take a look at the shorter time frame for Solana. Smaller time frame count. Since the last update, the price has pushed a little bit higher, only a little bit higher. And again, you just saw it on the larger time frame, right? That there is a wedge pattern to the upside, an ascending wedge pattern, to which the price has not really reacted yet. I mean, we had a breakout. I don't know if you want to call that a retest, maybe on a small time frame, but I think at least another retest is at least something that we should consider is likely before we continue the path higher. For now, all we can do is to watch for first signals that maybe a pullback of sorts might start. The support area is defined. It's between $215 and $232. I would prefer if in any pullback we actually hold above that yellow line. And that aligns very well with what we would normally call the ideal target for a fourth wave at the 38.2 retracement, in this case, $225. So the 38.2 fib level is, it's an ideal target for such a fourth wave. Normally, this is a level that normally is reached. And the $225.80 level, is exactly where the price could come down to retest also the trend line from above. But I have no evidence of a top, right? So the next micro resistance targets, I mean, we are basically, I think, pretty much where we were when I made the last video, here around the 161.8 extension, $242. If we push higher, 250 could be next. But basically, we have fulfilled all requirements for the ABC structure that we've been tracking here in wave 3. So the wave 4 support area will be adjusted with the price as we go higher, but we don't need to go any higher. What we can do in this video is to add or to identify the level that now needs to hold to keep pushing. And at the same time, the level that, if broken to the downside, could be our first indication that we're starting a pullback. For me, that's this last swing low here that formed today at around $237. Any break below it could be our first indication we have a top. First indication, yeah. At the moment, I just simply have no indication we've topped, so we could easily go higher against that level. And $250, as I said, is the next key resistance level. Yeah, support is clear. So that means over the weekend here, $237, $232, and $225 are the next support levels. But first of all, we need to get a break of upside momentum to even consider that a local top has formed. And it would simply be seen, first of all, as a pullback in an unfolding uptrend. That's the update on Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to join our membership, especially in the gold membership. You can access our Discord server. You get access to a lot of additional updates, charts, Tradingview live charts, also our Sunday member live stream. And also check out our X channel here for additional updates, also on Solana and many other charts. The link is in the description and also the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye bye.